Stream of consciousness explained, with examples from Virginia Woolf and James Joyce. Have you ever tried to write down your thoughts exactly as they come, without editing or organizing them? That's called stream of consciousness. It's one of the most unique and powerful techniques in modern literature. Brain 1. What is stream of consciousness? The term, stream of consciousness, refers to a style of writing that tries to capture the continuous flow of thoughts, feelings, memories, and sensory impressions inside a character's mind. It doesn't always follow clear grammar or logic. Instead, it mirrors the way we actually think, jumping from one thought to another, often without warning. Key features: long, flowing sentences, sudden switches between past and present, inner monologue, no clear structure or punctuation. 2. Where did it come from? The term was first used by philosopher William James in the 1890s to describe how human thoughts are like a flowing river, not broken into neat parts. Later, modernist writers in the early 20th century used this idea in fiction. Writers like James Joyce, Ireland; Virginia Woolf, England; William Faulkner, USA. They wanted to explore the inner world of the human mind, rather than just the outside world. 3. Virginia Woolf, Mrs. Dalloway. Let's look at how Virginia Woolf uses stream of consciousness in her famous novel Mrs. Dalloway, 1925. The novel follows one single day in the life of Clarissa Dalloway as she prepares for a party. But most of the story happens inside her mind. Example: Clarissa walks through London and sees people, hears sounds, remembers her youth, wonders about love and time. There's no chapter break, only her flowing thoughts. What a lark! What a plunge! For so it had always seemed to her. Woolf also shows the mind of Septimus, a war veteran suffering from PTSD. His thoughts are chaotic, full of fear and hallucination. The stream of consciousness helps us enter the private, emotional world of characters, not just what they say, but what they silently feel. 4. James Joyce, Ulysses. Joyce's Ulysses 1922 is one of the boldest examples of this style. The book follows Leopold Bloom on a single day in Dublin, but it dives deep into his thoughts at every moment. The most famous part is the final chapter, which is just the inner monologue of Molly Bloom, 40 pages with no punctuation. Yes, I said yes, I will, yes. Here, Joyce shows how language can break rules to become more lifelike, more like the actual voice in our heads. 5. Why is this style important? It gives us direct access to characters' minds. It breaks the boundary between reader and character. It challenges traditional storytelling. It reflects the chaos of modern life. In the modern world, full of war, change, and doubt, people felt confused inside. Stream of consciousness expressed that confusion honestly. 6. How you can spot it for exams or analysis. Ask these questions. Is the narration jumping around without clear order? Are we inside the mind of the character? Is there little or no punctuation? Are memories and present thoughts mixed together? If yes, you are probably reading a stream of consciousness. Conclusion: stream of consciousness isn't just a technique, it's a journey into the human soul. Writers like Woolf and Joyce used it to show life as it truly feels inside the mind, flowing, messy, and real.